guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In this video, I really just want to invite you all to join the Wix Fix community on Facebook. This group is a safe place for you all to ask any questions you may have and get feedback on your sites. As the channel starts to grow, the amount of emails we have been receiving has been growing as well. It is important to me that each of you gets the help that you need while the Wix Fix team still manages to get our work done and maintains consistent upload schedule on the channel. With that being said, we have created a Facebook group for you to ask any questions you may have or share your websites to get feedback from the Wix Fix team or others just like you. In fact, the main rule of the group is if you ask for help, then you have to try to help someone else. For example, if you create a post asking for feedback on your site, then scroll down and try to answer someone else's questions or give them feedback on their sites. Helping others doesn't have to take too long, and it doesn't even have to be that hard. You could just find a blog post or a video and paste the link in the comments. Now, someone from the Wix Fix team will always try to answer your questions when they're available, but the idea is that you guys help each other out as well. And actually, the motto for the group is learn together, grow together. So if you're needing help or guidance on your website, whether you're just starting out or just trying to make your site better, then follow the link in the description and join the Wix Fix community group on Facebook. And before I wrap up the video, I do want to cover the other rules for the group. There is no self-promoting or spamming, especially if you're a freelancer or agency. I don't want to see posts or comments offering your services to the other members in the group. This would completely defeat the purpose of helping the other members learn if the task is just completed for them. Also, this is a safe place to ask any questions you may have, so I don't want the members of this group being rude or disrespectful to anyone. I don't want to see hateful comments about race, sexual orientation or preference, arguments about politics or religion, or any other forms of disrespectful or hate speech. If your website topic is about a specific religion or political view, you can post a link in the group to get feedback on your site. And if you see someone post a site that has a different view from your own, just set those differences aside and just give them objective advice. We want to build each other up, not tear each other down. So if you don't follow these pretty simple rules, then you risk being permanently banned from the group. But that basically wraps it up for the video today. If you need help on anything for your website, then follow the link in the description and join the group. I look forward to chatting with all of you there. If you're planning to join the group, please like the video because it helps the channel grow. And if you're not already, consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I will see you in the next one.